In this video I'm going to be making the Mandalorian helmet. Enjoy. So people often ask me how do I scale the helmets for printing to make sure they're the right size for my head. So I use Autodesk Mesh Mixer. It's really good for slicing the CAD as well, so you get it in multiple pieces that are more manageable to print. I just use a scale head for reference, so I take measurements of my own head and just translate that onto Mesh Mixer to get this CAD model of a human head. I can then import the helmet on top of that and get a visual of how big the helmet needs to be to fit onto that head properly. So the file I'm using was made by Damask Props. The file name is Mandalorian Helmet V2. I got it off Thingiverse, and I'll leave a file link down in the description.
We'll just fiberglass the inside of the helmet now. And I did that by getting a piece of mat, wetting it out with catalyzed resin and consolidating it to get the air out, and then just laying it inside the helmet and getting the remainder of the air bubbles out with a paintbrush.
So I'm back after a pretty long break from filming. I've been moving house, so I haven't had a chance to do any more of the helmet other than kind of first layer of body filler. Here's the new garage. Plenty of storage space, plenty of space to work. It's going to be a good place to build some new helmets, I think. Got the 3D printer just behind the camera. Really looking forward to the projects that I can build in here. Now it's all set up, I can get back to sanding the helmet and finally completing this project. there you go guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. That was my Mandalorian helmet build. I decided not to do battle damage on this helmet. I've got battle damage on all the other helmets, so I thought I might keep this one as new. I've got a few Star Wars helmets planned, so stay tuned for those.